Hey guys, dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. I have a guest today. This is my sister Sarah. She is a huge Charlotte Tilbury fan, so she brought me lots of Charlotte Tilbury to try out, and today we're going to do the Icon palette. So she's going to step out because she is not big on having her picture taken or being on any kind of video while we do this, but just wanted to introduce Sarah because she's part of the makeup community. You guys see her as Sarah C. And I've been talking about her being here for quite a while. All right. See you in just a second. And we'll take a look at this. Bye. And we're back. All right, guys. Today we're going to take a look at the new Charlotte Tilbury Icon palette. This is a gorgeous palette. Don't know if you guys have tried too much Charlotte Tilbury, but her eyeshadows are amazing. And these are gorgeous colors. Take a look at that. This is my first time trying it out. It's actually Sarah's palette because, as you guys know, I need more eyeshadows like a hole in the head. So retails for $65, which is really a great deal for Charlotte Tilbury for 12 shades because her quads sell for $54, I believe.
53.
53. So, I mean, this is a really good deal. And you do get the full size. You know, you get really good amount in there. So we're going to go ahead and swatch them, and then I will put them on and we'll see what we think. So she does not have, you know, names for the shadows, but she has them set up in a row of 1, a row of 2, and a row of 3. So the tops are all 1. And then the tops, blah, blah, blah. The top row is all 1, which is her prime. The middle is 2, which is enhance. And the lower ones are 3, which is to smoke. So I'm going to use her instructions today, and we'll play with it. So I'm going to go in this first row here. And these are all the primes. So let's take a look. Oh, they're soft. And smooth. Very soft, very smooth. I like it. And for this green is gorgeous. Of course, you don't have to, I mean, you do whatever you want with them. Mix them however you want. Let's take a look here. 1. Ooh, I like that. Oh, please forgive my voice. I lost my voice because Sarah's been here. And so I've, you know, been yakking all the time, but that's okay. We're having a good time. And I'm so sorry I haven't been getting back to you guys about the comments, but I've heard from a bunch of you that you got, you know, the winners of the last giveaway. Got your gift cards. Yay. So we've been on Shop-a-Palooza all week. All right, so here is row number 2. Ooh. These are very pretty. And here's the blue. Oh, I like that. That's a very pretty pop of color. Now, I do have the Pillow Talk quad, and I really like it. They're easy to work with, easy to blend. There we go. And one more row. These are the smoke. And down here. Oh, that's very pretty. I think I'm going to do that first 3. And the black. Oh, those are very pretty. Okay, so there you have the colors. Trying to get them. You can't see the black very well. There we go. Right there. That is the Icon palette from Charlotte Tilbury. $65. Sephora, charlottetilbury.com. I think Nordstrom.com sells them too. There we go. All right. Let's take a look and make a pretty eye out of this. I'm just going to follow what she says. And Charlotte Tilbury is a famous makeup artist. She did all the makeup for the Victoria's Secret fashion show. So when you look at that, everything but the lips were the Victoria's Secret brand. Of course, they want to, you know, sell that and show that off. But Charlotte Tilbury did the makeup and she used her own products, and she's really about glow and just, you know, real healthy shine. All right, let's do this. So the top one is prime. So I'm supposed to put this all over my lid. And I am taking my MAC 252 that you can barely see the number on, but it's just a flat, fluffy, big brush. Spread out my primer. My eyes are already primed. And let's put this on. Okay. Very pretty. A lot of times she'll have a 4-step with a pop of color, but she doesn't have any pops in this. But in her quads, she includes pops, which are really creamy, kind of glittery, shimmery topper colors. As in T-O-P-P-E-R, not C-O-P-P-E-R. This is very pretty. I could see me using this as a highlight all the time. There we go. Hope everybody's been having a good week. I am so happy to hear people are getting their Ulta gift cards from the last giveaway. And we are getting really close to a big giveaway. I'm going to do one when we hit 250. All right, so I'm going to go in the middle one and do Enhance. So that one is lid up a little past the crease. So I'm going to go in with my MAC 224. Just a rounded blender. I like that these all go together, but you know, of course you can create your own. That's very pretty. I'm going to work in the crease a little bit more. And just blend that up. Here. See how pretty that is? I'm starting with a light hand and working it up. That is very pretty. I like the way it goes on. It's very smooth, blends itself, practically blends itself. All right, I'm just going to keep using the same brush, and I am going to go into the smoke. So that's the outer lid a little bit into the crease, and then I'm going to grab a different brush and smoke it out under my eyes. Oh, that's beautiful. Just building it a little bit at a time. Oh, that's gorgeous. You might lose this.
I can always get another one.
Yeah.
That's fine. I just really like the finish on a lot of those.
Oh yeah, the finish is gorgeous. I hope that it translates over, but the finishes of these are absolutely beautiful. All right, I'm going to take a little brush. This is an IT Cosmetics, just came with a little kit. It doesn't have a number on it, it just says smudger. So I'm going to take a smudger brush, and I'm going to take that smoke color and bring it under my eye. Smoke it out. Make sure you always connect. You don't want to bare space. Oh, that's very pretty. All right, guys, that is the eye. Just real simple, 3-step like she says to do. And I am going to put on my Charlotte Tilbury liner and some mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back, and I have the final eye look. I have got to say I really like this palette. It is not, you know, big, dramatic, you know, colors. That is not really Charlotte Tilbury. She is more into the subtle and accent what you've got. Natural, healthy glow. I've got to say I really, really like this palette. Which was the color that you did not care for?
The green didn't perform well for me.
Okay, so this green here apparently does not perform well for my sister.
Your mileage may vary.
Yes, your mileage may vary. I can see where it skips there. But everybody, you know, swatches are only for looking at color. I mean, swatches do nothing as far as performance. But if it didn't, you know, your mileage may vary, but keep that in mind that our taste tester didn't have a really good experience with the green.
The other 11 are gorgeous, though.
Yeah. The
One
other 11
dud
are,
is fine.
yeah, one dud out of 12.
Personal dud.
Personal dud, exactly. So $65 available at Sephora and wherever else Charlotte Tilbury is sold. So that will do it for today, guys. Keep spreading the word. We want to grow the makeup community to be a really fun, positive, safe place to talk about all things makeup, because makeup is for everybody. All right, guys, that's it. I will talk to you down in the comment section and see you in my next video. Bye.